Meanwhile, there's still uncertainty about whether local architects will be part of the team designing the new Parliament building. That issue was also raised at the town hall meeting. TVJ's Janella Precious reports.
What will the new House of Parliament complex look like? After raising ruckus about the direction in which the government appeared to be going, local architects were invited to participate in a design competition launched in May. Prior to that, the government signed a memorandum of understanding with China Construction Company of America for the provision of consultancy services for the design concept of the project. The UDC says it received responses from over 200 architects in Jamaica and the diaspora. A total of 37 teams have registered to participate in the competition. But here's the problem.
You will notice, and I hope those architects that are engaged in the competition have noticed, there is nothing in the design brief that says if your design wins, it will be used. There is nothing there that says that. So somebody needs to indicate whether there's any guarantee whether the local designs are that there is a duty to use them any at all.
UDC General Manager Dr. Damian Graham attempted to explain the process.
There is an express reservation for any one of the designs or whichever is selected, whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 in the final phase to be used.
I don't understand what
we
that
have
means.
to get to a contract.
No, man, I don't understand what that means. You said there is an express reservation.
There are 5 persons in the final phase that will be considered for judgment, and they will come first, second, or third. A contract will emanate from that decision. If number 1 does not want to do it, the government cannot force them, and so we have to reserve and preserve the right of the participants as well. It's not just about saying that the winner will do it. Okay. It has to be preserved.
As it relates to the MOU with the Chinese,
there is no other consideration that the UDC is aware of for the actual construction and procurement of any construction related to the projects that are currently being discussed.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.